Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be walking you step by step through how to transfer ownership of a Google Sheet. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to hand over control of a sheet to someone else, whether you're changing roles at work, moving a project to a teammate, or just want to pass the torch. This process is pretty simple, but there are a few key details you won't want to miss, so let's get right into it. To start off, before you can transfer ownership in Google Sheets, you have to make sure that the person you want to hand over ownership to actually has access to the document. That means sharing it with them first if you haven't already done so. Think of it a bit like passing the keys to a car. You can't give them full control unless they already have a way to get inside. So let's go over how to do that together. Look towards the top right corner of your Google Sheet for the Share button. It's easy to spot. It usually looks like a little person with a plus sign or just says Share. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring up a window where you can manage who has access to your sheet. In this window, you'll see a section called People with Access. If the person you want to transfer ownership to isn't listed, type in their email address in the field provided, choose their level of access, usually editor is fine, and then click Send. Now an invitation will be sent to them by email. At this point, pause for a moment, because you need to make sure that your recipient actually accepts the invitation. If they haven't accepted it yet, the ownership transfer option won't be available. The invite will show up in their email inbox, and all they need to do is click the link to open the sheet. If you're in a hurry, it might be worth sending them a quick message to remind them to accept the invite. Don't worry if they're not instantly responding. Sometimes it takes people a few minutes to find the email or follow the link. Once you've confirmed that they've accepted the invite and now show up in your People with Access list, you're ready to transfer ownership. Find their email address in that list. It should be right there in the sharing window. On the right side of their email, there's a little drop-down arrow. Click on that arrow. For some users, this drop-down might be hidden until you hover your mouse over it, so move your cursor there if you don't see it right away. After you click the drop-down, you'll see an option that says Make Owner. Go ahead and select that. Google will prompt you to confirm that you really want to transfer ownership, because this is a big step. You're handing over the administrative control of this document. Once you confirm, click Done, and that's it. The person you selected is now the official owner of the spreadsheet. They'll get a notification, and from this point forward, only they can change ownership or remove you if needed. And that's all there is to it. Transferring ownership in Google Sheets is pretty straightforward once you know where to look and what steps to follow. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or if you ran into any trouble, leave a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.